Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Speaking Course, Episode 11. I'm so happy you're here because today's lesson can completely change the way you speak English.
That's right. Many English learners know hundreds or even thousands of words, but they still don't sound natural. Do you know why?
Because knowing individual words isn't enough. Native speakers don't usually think word by word. They use groups of words that naturally belong together.
Exactly. These natural word combinations are called collocations. Learning them is one of the fastest ways to sound more fluent and confident.
Imagine someone says, "I made a big mistake." That sounds natural. But if someone says, "I did a big mistake," native speakers immediately notice that something sounds strange.
Both sentences are understandable, but only one sounds natural. That's why today's lesson is so important.
Today, we'll learn 15 advanced collocations that educated native speakers use every day at work, in conversations, during presentations, and even in interviews.
For every collocation, we'll explain the meaning, show you several examples, and help you use it naturally.
So grab your notebook because today's vocabulary will immediately improve your English. Our first collocation is reach a conclusion. It means to make a final decision or judgment after carefully thinking about something. Notice that we say reach a conclusion, not take a conclusion. Examples. I've reached the conclusion that regular practice is the best teacher. The police haven't reached a conclusion yet. After reading several articles, she finally reached the same conclusion. Whenever you're discussing opinions or research, this expression sounds much more professional than simply saying decide. Next is raise awareness. It means to help more people understand an important issue. Examples. The campaign raised awareness about climate change. Schools should raise awareness of mental health. Social media can raise awareness very quickly. Instead of saying make people know, simply say raise awareness. Our third collocation is meet expectations. It means to perform as well as people hoped or expected. Examples. The movie met everyone's expectations. The new employee exceeded our expectations. Unfortunately, the product didn't meet customer expectations. This phrase is extremely common in business English. Number 4 is face challenges.
It means to deal with difficult situations bravely instead of avoiding them. Examples. Every entrepreneur faces challenges. We must face our problems honestly. She faced many challenges before becoming successful.
Notice we don't usually say fight challenges in these situations.
Here's another useful one. Draw attention.
It means to make people notice something. Examples. The colorful advertisement drew everyone's attention. The teacher drew attention to an important grammar rule. His unusual idea immediately drew attention.
This expression is excellent for presentations and formal writing.
Number 6 is bear in mind.
It simply means remember or don't forget. Examples. Bear in mind that practice takes time. You should bear this in mind before making a decision. Always bear safety in mind.
Native speakers often use this expression because it sounds more elegant than simply saying remember. Let's continue with gain experience.
We say gain experience, not collect experience. Examples. You'll gain valuable experience during your internship. The more you practice speaking, the more experience you'll gain. Traveling helps people gain life experience.
This collocation appears very frequently in interviews.
Next is a phrase you probably know, but many learners don't fully understand. Pay attention.
It means to concentrate carefully. For example, please pay attention to the pronunciation. You weren't paying attention during class. Successful learners pay attention to small details.
Notice we never say give attention in this meaning.
Let's review today's expressions. Repeat after us. Reach a conclusion. Raise awareness. Meet expectations. Face challenges. Draw attention. Bear in mind. Gain experience. Pay attention.
Excellent. Now let's use them in one short conversation. Our project faced several challenges. Yes, but we gained valuable experience.
The presentation also drew everyone's attention. And finally, we reached the right conclusion. The results definitely met our expectations.
Great job!
Welcome back. Let's continue with our next advanced collocation, break the ice.
This is an idiom that means to make people feel more comfortable when they first meet or when a situation feels awkward.
It's often used in meetings, interviews, classrooms, and social gatherings. Examples. She told a funny story to break the ice. The teacher asked everyone to introduce themselves to break the ice. A simple smile can help break the ice.
Remember, this expression doesn't mean breaking actual ice. It's about making conversations easier to begin.
Our 10th collocation is take responsibility.
It means to accept that something is your duty or that you are accountable for your actions. Examples. Good leaders take responsibility for their mistakes. You should take responsibility for your decisions. He admitted his error and took full responsibility.
Employers love hearing this phrase because it shows maturity and professionalism.
Next is make an impression.
It means to cause people to remember you because of something positive, interesting, or unusual. Examples. She made a great impression during the interview. Your confidence will make a positive impression. The speaker made a lasting impression on the audience.
Whether you're attending an interview, giving a presentation, or meeting new people, everyone wants to make a good impression.
Number 12 is build confidence.
Confidence doesn't appear overnight. You build it gradually through practice and experience. Examples. Speaking every day helps build confidence. Small achievements build confidence. The course is designed to build your confidence.
If you're learning English, remember that every conversation helps build confidence.
Here's a beautiful advanced expression. Broaden your horizons.
It means to expand your knowledge, experiences, or way of thinking. Examples. Traveling broadens your horizons. Reading books can broaden your horizons. Learning another language broadens your horizons.
This is a wonderful expression to use in essays and formal speaking.
Our next collocation is come to terms with.
It means to gradually accept a difficult situation or reality. Examples, it took him months to come to terms with the change. She's learning to come to terms with her new job. We all have to come to terms with challenges in life.
This expression often appears in newspapers, documentaries, and professional conversations.
Our final collocation is set realistic goals.
It means to create practical and achievable objectives instead of impossible ones. Examples, set realistic goals for your English learning. Successful people set realistic goals and work consistently. This collocation is especially useful when talking about education, careers, fitness, and personal development. Now, let's practice all 15 collocations in one natural conversation. Imagine two friends discussing how to improve their English. I've reached the conclusion that I need to practice speaking every day. That's a good decision. Daily practice really helps build confidence. I'm trying to gain more experience by speaking with different people. That's excellent. It will definitely broaden your horizons. Sometimes I face challenges because I feel nervous. That's normal. Just pay attention to your progress instead of your mistakes. I also want to make a good impression during my next interview. Then remember to speak clearly, take responsibility for your answers, and stay confident. I've also set realistic goals so I don't become discouraged. Wonderful! If you keep practicing, you'll certainly meet your expectations. Let's see how many expressions you can remember. I'll give you the meaning, and you say the collocation. Ready? To accept a difficult situation.
Come to terms with.
To become more self-assured.
Build confidence.
To attract people's notice.
Draw attention.
To remember something important.
Bear in mind.
To accept accountability.
take responsibility.
Excellent! If you answered correctly, you're making fantastic progress.
Here's today's challenge. Choose any 5 of today's collocations and write your own sentences in the comments.
Don't copy the examples from the lesson. Create your own original sentences. That's one of the fastest ways to remember advanced vocabulary. And don't worry if your sentence isn't perfect. Every mistake is another opportunity to learn.
Today, you've learned 15 advanced collocations that native English speakers use naturally in conversations, workplaces, presentations, and everyday life.
These weren't random vocabulary words. They were natural word combinations that make your English sound smoother, more fluent, and much more professional.
The more you use these collocations, the less you'll need to translate from your first language.
Instead, you'll begin thinking in English, and that's a huge step towards fluency.
Congratulations on completing English Speaking Course Episode 11.
We hope today's lesson helped you speak more naturally and confidently.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
In Episode 12, we'll explore another exciting advanced English topic that will help you sound even more fluent in real-life conversations.
Until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, keep challenging yourself, and remember, every sentence you speak brings you one step closer to fluency.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye!